Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on October 7th. Battle of Lepanto 1571. On October 7, 1571, a major naval clash took place in the Gulf of Patras, near Greece. The Holy League, a coalition of Christian powers like Spain and Venice, faced the Ottoman fleet. The Christians won a decisive victory, destroying many Ottoman ships and freeing captives. This was the last great galley battle and slowed Ottoman expansion in the Mediterranean. Across Europe, the triumph was celebrated as a turning point and inspired many artworks and stories. Ford introduces the moving assembly line 1913. On October 7, 1913, Henry Ford revolutionized manufacturing by introducing the moving assembly line in his Michigan factory. Instead of workers moving to the car came to them, cutting production time drastically. Soon, Ford could build a Model T in just over an hour, making it affordable for ordinary families. This breakthrough launched the era of mass production and reshaped modern industry forever. Formation of East Germany 1949. On October 7, 1949, the German Democratic Republic, or East Germany, was officially established in the Soviet-controlled zone. It came just weeks after West Germany was formed, deepening Europe's Cold War divide. Wilhelm Pieck became president, and Otto Grotewohl was prime minister. East Germany remained a socialist state under Soviet influence until reunification in 1990. Auschwitz-Birkenau Sonderkommando Revolt 1944. On October 7, 1944, prisoners at Auschwitz-Birkenau staged a desperate revolt. Members of the Sonderkommando, forced to work in crematoria, blew up part of crematorium for using smuggled explosives. The SS quickly crushed the uprising, killing hundreds of prisoners. Though it failed to stop the Holocaust, it remains a lasting symbol of resistance and courage in the darkest of times. The war in Afghanistan begins 2001. On October 7, 2001, the United States and Britain launched airstrikes on Taliban and al-Qaeda targets in Afghanistan. This was a response to the September 11th attacks after the Taliban sheltered Osama bin Laden. Called Operation Enduring Freedom, it marked the start of America's longest war. The conflict reshaped global politics and lasted for nearly 2 decades. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.